Gone are the days when during Durga Puja, people from villages and suburbs would rush down to Calcutta, or rather old Calcutta, to watch a Jatra. Jatra, a live performance, a live theatrical performance, more dramatic, more melodramatic rather, is something that was very synonymous with North Kolkata. And here in North Kolkata's Kakurgachi, gone are the days of Durga Puja and North Kolkata when thousands would come down from suburbs and villages to Kolkata during Durga Puja to witness a live jatra, which is a way more melodramatic form of theatre. But right now, over here in North Kolkata's Kakurgachi area, a theme has been done wherein they are trying to re-establish or bring back those memories of jatra, which was very synonymous with North Kolkata's Aheri Tola area. Sadly, this art is dying down. And at an age of OTT and digital space where people are very much glued to their cell phones and watching films and theatres, everything on their cell phones, these artists are having a tough time. More than so, these paintings that you see, if and when you ever travel through the old school Jatra Para of North Kolkata in Aheri Tola and areas alike, you would see such posters and banners of these theatrical performances throughout the lane. Sadly, we don't see such anymore. This is a dying art, and the theme of this particular pandal is to bring that back, or rather bring the memories back. And here is the idol of goddess Durga. One very important aspect of this particular idols over here is that as this is jatra or theatre, the artists who are playing the role of the lion, the abode of Devi Durga, is not a lion but an individual, an artist who's wearing the mask of a lion. This is something that we have seen in theatrical performances or in jatras, which a lot of people do not watch anymore physically, and due to the lockdown and corona, theatres have been closed, jatras not happening as it used to be. The pandals over here in Kolkata's Kakurgachi area, which is also in North Kolkata, they're trying to bring back the memories at least. With camera person Shyam Chandra Ghosh, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today, Kolkata.